Hello everybody, far and wide. It's Albert. I hope everybody's doing good. I got one thing to say. I'm sure glad tomorrow's Friday. This lock that's in the vise in the open position, it is one that I almost forgot about. I had it sitting over here on my desk and I must have sat it aside, and any hoodles, here it is. It is one by, let me see if I got that on it. K1 locks. It is, oh no, what's it say? Cinnamon Crunch Chunk. I hope I got that right. It looks like Cinnamon Crunch Chunk. Maybe you can read it. By K1 Locks. And that's the key. I mean, it looks mummified, but it's really not. It's like shrink wrap, and you can see the key still. But anyways, that don't matter. I did pick it open, and I'm going to try it again on camera, so we all know it's open. We all know when the camera's on, everything changes. But no, I was trying to finesse this thing with the jam as I usually do, or on most locks, just kind of go through but I found that this is a pretty tough cookie here, so I had to pull out the old. These are almost like pry bars, man. This is from the one of the Southord picks. They're tough. Sure glad I still got these. Any hoodles, let's see if we can't do this on camera. Okay. One's loose, 2 is loose, 3 is loose. Let me see, I think they're all loose. Alright, let me see. Four, maybe? Oh. Yep, I think it's 4. Got a little click. Trying to feel around. I think I want to say 5. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Got to click on 5. I want to say it was 5. Got a very minuscule turn on the core, but very, very small. 1 feels solid. I think 3. That's pretty solid. 4. Okay, 5. I got a little more. I think 5 is the one that gave me trouble the first time. Okay. Alright, got a nice turn on the core when I hit, I believe it was 3-ish. Alright. 1's pretty solid, doesn't feel like nothing. I think 2's giving me some counter. I want to say it is. Let me check around. Coming back out. 3. Yeah, two's doing something here. I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know if that was it or not. Feels alright. I'm gonna feel around some more. Alright, got that slight falset happening now. Let's see, 3 feels solid. Alright, right here, I think 2's giving me some action. I'm gonna have to try it. There we go. All right, now 2 set. Feel set. All right, 1 solid. I believe 2 is set now. Nothing on 3, 4. Not feeling it. Three again. Let me see. 3. Nothing on 3. Feels like it's done up here. I don't know. Maybe it's a T-pin or something holding me back. 3, 4. Alright, lost that false set though. Maybe I can get it back. Alright, got the false set back, but back to square one now. Alright. 1 solid. 2 feel set. Nothing on 3, 4. Huh. Round and round we go. Alright. Might have got it that time. Had to roughhouse it. Told the lock who's boss. Alright. I lost that false set. Huh. Okay. 4, 5. Must be a T-pin or something holding me back. Yeah. I'm guessing a T-pin. But where's it at? That's the question. That's the question of the day. Where's the T-pin, if there is one? Ooh. Okay, there we go. It must have been. Problem guessing on 5. Okay. Nicely done. Nicely done. See if I can keep that there. Got a table over here for my junk now. Rotate that down to about there. Mind frame. Yeah, pretty good. Alright. See if we can't get this bad boy apart here in a timely manner. So I don't know where I'm at. I can't tell. Okay, so you know what? I don't want to unwrap that key or cut that stuff off, so I'm going to try to keep it unlocked. Wish me luck. Damn it. Okay, yeah. That could work. Alright. I'm going to try to get a shim in there. But lately, well, that might have went. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see where I can jack it all up. All right. Okay. Oh my God. There's something stuck down in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a sixth. I don't know if there's a, no, there's not a pin in there. Okay, that's just some kind of funky, really funky modification on the core. I don't think that came into play. There's not a pin in it. I don't know if you could see that. There wasn't a pin in there, but let me see if I can get it to focus. It's just some kind of piece of metal stuck down in that hole. Oh, it goes all the way through. I don't know what that's about. It didn't come into play. So on the core we've got threading in 1, 3, and 4, and it looks like some undercuts in 2 and 5 on the core. Take that shim out. Find my tweezers again. Where'd they go? Tweezers. There they are. Alright, focused. Oh wow. Number 1 is not popping up. There it goes. Number 1 looks like a pretty standard serrated. Let me flip these key pins around over here. Kind of jumping ahead of the game a little bit. Okay. Alright. Little spring. 2 is a, wow, nice tall, tall spool. Number 2. Little spring. Number 3 is not, oh, there it goes. Number 3 is a serrated. Little spring. Number 4 just popped up. It is another serrated. Little spring. And last but not least is kind of like a spoolie looking combobulation and another little spring. Okay, see if I can see something in the core. Oh yeah, looks like all but 5 are threaded. I think 1 through 4 are threaded. I don't think 5 is. If it is, it's real fine, but 1 through 4 are threaded. Okay, so that was fun. Let's see, light up here. That was what I believe to be Cinnamon Crunch Chunk by K1 Locks, and the pins are, focus, key pins, serrations on the top, standard in 2. Kind of a deep serration or spool on 3. Serrations on the top of 4. Looks like standard in 5. Upper pins, serrations on this one here in number 1. Kind of a spool here in 2. Serrations on 3. Serrations on 4. And a really deep, I guess, spool or wide serration on number 5. And all the springs are the same. Alright, beautiful. K1 Locks. Awesome lock, buddy. Thank you so much. And to everybody out there, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. All right, Albert signing off.